When we talk about water, we have to notice that this element is essential for the human health. Without water, life is not possible. Because of this reason, we have to treat the wastewaters. We can define wastewaters as contaminated waters from anthropic origin, which comes from three different spots: domestic, industrial, and urban. There's another spot, rainwater, but this one does not come directly from human being actions. If we do not treat these contaminated waters properly, we run the risk of damaging the human health, the river's quality, losing fresh water, causing big problems in a society with lack of water. For this kind of waters, we can employ a lot of treatments, such as sewage treatment plant, lagooning, or vegetative filters, among others. One of the environmental friendly low-cost methods to use is the vegetative filters. Vegetative filters consist of a natural system in which it applies sewage water to the soil, conformed by several plant species that take advantage of the contaminated water nutrients.
The process of a vegetative filter is quite simple. One of the main applications consists on using wastewater as irrigation water. This water has many nutrients that are retained by the plant roots. After that process, it drains through the soil until depositing over a waterproof material that channels the purified water into a new water tank. Imagine this celery is part of a vegetative filter. The water, with food coloring, simulates wastewater. We put the celery into the colored water, and after a day, we can see how the leaves have turned quite yellow. If we cut the celery into two, it is visible how the food coloring has been absorbed by the celery through its phloema.
Installing vegetative filters is a good alternative to replace other wastewater purification systems, which are hard to integrate into the environment. Vegetative filters are easy to install and operate with them. Their maintenance is not complicated, just cleaning the pretreatment and sedimentation units and tucking out the surface crust to allow the proper aeration of the soil. Vegetative filters need no power supply and don't generate sludge. It's a natural system that runs without any mechanical equipment, so there will be no rates for reparations. This system represents a good way to protect the forest and preserve their quality.
However, there are some conditions and disadvantages that cannot be omitted. Vegetative filters are not appropriate for some soils with a high water table because the aquifers can be contaminated. They also need extensive and flat surfaces. The vegetative filters that are grown in cold areas stop their growth, and as a consequence, they reduce their substances elimination yields. Furthermore, they are limited in those areas with high precipitation levels.